Hi everyone, it's Miss Lauren from Cheshire Library, and today I'm going to show you how to set out nesting materials for wild birds in your backyard. Every spring, backyard birds are hard at work building nests where they can lay their eggs and raise their young. Hummingbirds will often make their nests with spider silk, and robins and swallows will sometimes use mud. Watch your backyard birds long enough, and you might even see them carrying twigs, grass, or other plant matter in their beaks. They're probably building a nest. You can help them out by providing them with safe and natural building materials. First, you can head outside and clean up your yard. Grab a rake and some work gloves and gather up all the twigs, leaves, small sticks, pine needles, pieces of bark, grass clippings, bits of straw, and other natural debris you might find outside. Instead of throwing it out, put the debris in an unused corner of your yard to keep it available for the birds. If you have anything that's not natural in your pile, such as cellophane wrappers, aluminum foil, or pieces of plastic, make sure to remove them. The birds will thank you. You can hang your nesting materials in a cage-style suet feeder or in a mesh bag, or set them out in a cardboard or plastic basket from a farmer's market. As long as the birds can easily find your nesting materials, you're good. I'm going to stuff an unused suet feeder and put it near a window so I can watch the birds coming and going. You can fill your container just with stuff from your yard, but you can also add down feathers from pillows and jackets. I don't want my kitchen full of feathers, so I'm going to leave them out this time. If you have a pet snake, you can add snakeskin from your snake's last shed. Some birds love using snakeskins in their nests. I'm also going to add some pet hair that's left over from brushing my dog. There are some things you definitely don't want to offer your backyard birds. Chemicals can make birds really sick, so make sure to avoid anything that was treated with chemicals. If you treat your pet's coat with flea or tick repellent, throw out the leftover hair and don't offer it to the birds. Likewise, if you treat your lawn with pesticides, throw out those grass clippings. When in doubt, keep it out. You should also avoid giving them yarn, string, and human hair. Yarn and string are often made with synthetic materials, and we want to give them natural stuff. Human hair might be natural, and so is wool yarn and cotton thread. However, all of these items are long and strong, and they can get wrapped around a bird and hurt them. This is especially true for baby birds living and growing in the nest. One last thing to keep out is dryer lint. It seems like a nice soft material, but as soon as it gets wet, it crumbles and falls apart. We don't want our birds to lose their nest in the middle of a rainstorm. Okay, it looks like I'm done. Now to head outside and find a place to hang my nesting materials. I'm sure the birds will love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information on birds, visit allaboutbirds.org, audubon.org, or check out the offerings at your local library. And as always, thanks for watching.